Have you ever watched fireflies light up the night and wondered how they glow? It's not magic. These tiny insects use a special trick called bioluminescence. Inside their bellies, fireflies mix oxygen with special chemicals to create light without any heat. They use these glowing signals to find mates or warn off predators. Each species of firefly even has its own flashing pattern, like a secret code in the dark. Isn't that incredible? For more amazing knowledge and fun facts, subscribe now and discover the wonders of nature.